Are cheap electric dirt bikes still worth buying in 2026? Or should you just steer away from them? How fast do these things actually go? Are they capable of going off-road? And the real question is, can adults ride them? Today we're going to be answering all these questions and get to the bottom. Let's get the new Vela E8 electric dirt bike unboxed and assembled, with the help of my daughter, of course.
What is it? Oh, it's a bike. Thought it was a bag of Cheetos. I wonder if this tastes like Cheetos. Whoops. Definitely not Cheetos. But it's pretty close. Looks like you're struggling over there, buddy. You need some help?
Help me. Come on.
Alright, step back. Why don't you give me a hand, will you?
Come on. Ready? Come on. Pull. Pull it.
See you later, alligator.
Where you going? Don't run from me. Come on. Don't leave me
Quit yapping. I'm coming.
Come on. Say, Thank you, mama. Okay. I'll finish the rest, all right?
Moment you all have been waiting for. This video has been brought to you by Cheetos, the puffs that melt in your mouth. When you want a quick snack, just open a bag of Cheetos. It'll put a smile on your face. Now back to the video.
All right, you guys, so when it comes to electric dirt bikes, me personally, I want speed. So how fast does this thing go? First of all, this thing has 3 modes, which is not too bad. This has a light, turn signals, hazard lights as well. I don't know if you guys can see that blinking. It has hazards, which is new for me, and a horn. I did mess my LED screen up. I put the screw in too tight and it broke the actual clamp on it, but there's a zip tie on it, so I'm not tripping about it. All right, let's get into this, you guys. We're gonna put this in the top mode and see what we get. You guys know, if you guys watch my videos, I put all my toys through this, so oh yeah, oh yeah, woo, oh my god, whoa, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, this thing fast. Oh yeah, we're going right up this hill. That's how we start. Oh, that's how we starting this off. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we hit a little jump. Oh my god, ain't no way. All right, let's go. So far, so good. She is doing amazing off-road. All right, I want to see what the top speed is on this thing. Let's go. No letting up. I see 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Oh, I hit the horn by accident. 35, 36. Whoa. 36. I thought I seen 37. Whoa. So 36. Oh my god, look at that baby rabbit. Oh my god, I know y'all just seen that. And a bug just smacked my face. What the hell is going on here? 36 miles per hour on this? Off-road at 200 pounds for a budget electric dirt bike. That is awesome, not gonna lie. All right. Woo. 36 with a full twist throttle on it. I love this throttle, not gonna lie. Woo! I love this throttle. Man, this thing rips. Oh, there's a trail right there as well. Hold on, we just found another trail. Let me turn around. This kind of looks like a trail, doesn't it? Like a little opening right here. Looks like somebody went through here. Let's see. Let's just poke our head in here. Oh, never mind. I see big spider webs. I ain't poking my head in that. I can kiss my black ass. Not today. But it makes it cooler back here. So check this out. I love this little trail right here for some reason. I don't know. Let's see if this budget electric dirt bike can handle this. So there's a hill coming up. Right here, you guys can see. We're gonna gun it. Oh yeah, she made it. Whoa. She made it. All right, down the hill now. Woo. On that throttle, yeah, on that throttle. So this thing is doing pretty good, not gonna lie. Woo. All right. So we gotta cross this street over here. Yeah. Oh, look at that gopher. Look at the oh my God, he almost got smacked. Get out the road. Get out the road. Get out the road. Oh my God, he's crazy. What the hell? Oh my God, he's crazy. Whew. All right, we gotta get this thing on the other side. Damn. All right. All right, so hopefully we don't get a flat back here. This is an even better spot over here, but I know I'll probably get in trouble over here, but hey. We gotta try it out. What's this way? We're kind of testing to see how well this thing wheelies, and also, whoa. Check this out, you guys, whoa. We just found an open container. Whoa, look at this. Whoa, this is crazy. Does this have an opening on the other side? Let me go on the other side and see. Oh shit. It's got a cage. Let's go for it and go inside. See what's in there. Our headlights on. Let's just see what we get. Pop up tire up here. Oh my God, what the hell is this? This is definitely, is this a bed? It is. Table. All right, let me get the hell out of here. Wow, this is crazy. All right. Woo! Yeah, that's a little creepy back there. I'm gonna lie to you. Let's get back to our wheelies, man. Let's see how she does. Woo! Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, all my bike life people are gonna love this. Circles, oh my God, come on. All right, let's see if we could hit a full circle around this on here. If we could hit a full circle around this whole thing right here, then it passes the wheelie test. All right, let's go. Let's see if we can do it without dropping. Okay. Oh my God. From her, I just failed again. Oh my God, all right. We're gonna start from this yellow post. Y'all ready? Let's go. Full circle without dropping. Oh. Okay. I say we completed it. I say we just complete that challenge, you guys. God damn. One more time, just for the hell of it. Oh, let's try that one more time. So, the key oh yeah, we got it. Oh yeah, and we went past it. Yeah, so she passes the wheelie test. So, thumbs up on that. Oh my God, wow. Woo! So after discovering somebody's secret playroom back there, I think it's time to wrap it up now, you guys. Oh yeah. Woo! look at that. Oh, that turn is crazy. Woo. Like, she gets up to 30 miles per hour with no problem at all. Woo. Oh my God. Look at that. 36. I just had. Wow. But she's topping out at 36, 37 miles per hour. That's not bad at all. Woo. Wow, that's crazy.
So there you guys have it, the new Vela E8 electric dirt bike by QLIFE. Honestly, this thing is a little beast. I'm not gonna lie, I actually enjoyed this little electric dirt bike right here. You guys seen it, this thing is fast, it handles so well off-road, and you can use it for wheelies. And I mean, I'm 200 pounds, so just keep that in mind. This thing is a little beast. If there's anybody out there interested in purchasing this electric dirt bike, link will be in the description along with a discount code. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you on the next one.